Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hi, my name is Victor Pandian. So in this session we are going to learn about masthead of YouTube. Now, now what is masthead? As the name says masthead, you'll be able to see this advertisement on your YouTube. Okay, so how this happens? The moment you type www.youtube.com, at the top of the screen you'll be able to see one advertisement which autoplays. Okay, it's not inside the video, it's at the top of the video. Okay, so which will be something like this. Can you see this? Which by default it plays. Okay, so this most majorly happens on the occasions or leaves on Sundays, Saturdays. We'll be able to see such advertisement. Okay, now with YouTube Masthead, you can showcase your brand, product, or services in a native video based ad format that appears in the YouTube home feed across all devices. YouTube Masthead is ideal for people who want to promote their services at the top. Okay, now for this campaign using Google Ads, we cannot create a campaign. You need to talk to the people like salespeople how to create it. Okay, so let's understand few more things. Now, what is the pricing that I'll be able to spend? Okay, if you look at the example here, the YouTube Masthead is one of the most coveted real estate for the digital advertiser, which is why it becomes a range whooping to 2 crores per day. Can you see this? 2 crores to 2.8 crores per day. That's the price tag for this, advertisement. Okay. In January last year, the mustard cost was revised from 1.4 crore, but previously it was 72 lakhs. Okay. So nothing less than a crore, guys. If you want to promote your services at the mustard top, nothing less than a crore. Okay, now let's understand even more better. So the first thing is you'll be able to see your advertisement at the top of this, or what we call it as video masthead. Okay, right. Now with YouTube Masthead, you can showcase your brand, product, or other service in the native video based ads that appears in the YouTube home feed across all devices. YouTube Masthead is ideal for the people who want to promote their services, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, you can promote your assets, technical specifications, and reporting tools. Let's scroll down. Now, using this format, when you want to drive more awareness for a new product or service to reach a massive audience in a short period of time, we'll be focusing on this. So must ads are only available on the reservation basis, guys. Keep this in your mind. Okay, through a Google sales representative. When you want to pay based on the number of impressions, also known as CPM, okay, cost per thousand impressions or per day. So here we have either CPM or CPD. We call it as cost per day. Reservation campaign also lets you to buy impression at a fixed rate. Okay, so there is no fluctuation bidding and all, it is a fixed rate. Now Google sales representative can also provide you with the campaign performance report and help you with the targeting changes for your campaign. Keep in mind that the reservation campaign has to be spend minimum requirement. What was it? Crores. All right, now when we talk about mustard, this is how the sample it looks. Can you look at it? It will be at the top of it, top of the youtube.com. If you type, you'll be getting this. Now what is CPM? Okay, buying reservation advertising, a CPM campaign has to be booked and creative assets needs to be delivered to the representative for implementation at least 3 days before the campaign start date. Okay, similarly for a CPD, that is cost per day, campaign has to be booked 3 weeks, okay, in advance, and creative assets needs to be delivered 3 days before in advance. Mustard ad format, CPD ad. This is a video ad that runs at the top of your YouTube home feed. Mustard bought on CPD basis are available on YouTube across desktop and mobile apps. Mustard on TV screens can only be booked on CPM basis, not on CPD basis. Okay, in television also your mustard can be seen. Desktop, a featured video in that mustard auto plays without sound first. Okay, and you can mute and unmute yourself. For up to 30 seconds at the top of the home feed, the mustard cap and appear in the widescreen, that is 16:9 aspect ratio format. Includes an information panel to the right that automatically uses asset from your channel. Okay, so if you look at this example over here, can you see that this is the asset which is being taken from my YouTube channel? Getting it? All right. You can optimally you can optionally include up to 2 companion videos in this panel. People can click the mute icon. If they want to hear sound from it, they need to unmute it. Okay. After autoplay, the main video default to the video thumbnail. When people click on the video or click on the thumbnail, they are taken to a YouTube watch page for that particular video, where they can watch the complete video. So this will be a short description, guys. So when we talk about mobile, how does your must-add look in mobile phone and how does it featured over there? A featured video in a must-add autoplays without the sound for the full duration of the video at the top of the YouTube app or m.youtube.com home feed. The mobile video must-add appears a video thumbnail, customizable headline, description text, as well as a call to action. Okay, the mobile video must-add also automatically pulls in the channel name and icon from the advertiser's channel. When the user clicks on the mobile video must-add, it will exit on the YouTube watch page for the featured video. Okay, self-explanatory, right? The next one is how it appears on the television screen. A featured video in the must-add autoplays where supported without the sound for all the full duration of the video at the top of the YouTube ads or television. The must-add can appear in the widescreen 16:9 aspect ratio format. People can use their TV remote to interact with the must-add. After an autoplay, the main video default to the video thumbnail. When people click on that video or the thumbnail, they are taken to watch page for the video to watch the full screen advertisement. Okay, so let's check how to create it. So for this, I have a URL, just a minute. So all we need to do is just go to your youtube.com. After that youtube.com, just type Masthead. Okay, hit upon enter. Just a minute. So what we have to do after your youtube.com/, you just need to type video must head. Can you see this? After youtube.com, you will be writing it this. So video must add. Now what you have to do, enter your video, that the short video which you want to show. So let me pick an example here. So what I'll do, I have a video here, so which I'll be using for my campaign purpose. I'll copy this. I'll show you the preview how you can do it. Then the payment, everything you need to talk to your agent. The next one is we need to focus upon the headline. Okay. Then after that, what you have to do, customize your ad. If you click on this show option, we have options here. So where we have to focus on call to action. Let's say no more. Then that particular URL, after looking at your advertisement, where you want the customer to come. I want my customer to come to my YouTube channel. So let me click on this. So this is my channel learning purpose. I'm just copying this and pasting it here. Then add supporting description text available for mobile and television description. So what I'll try to do, I'll just focus on few things. Okay, now the widescreen or the standard video size. So you can, if you focus on the widescreen, you have to set it. Then available on desktop, you have to set your start time and end time. So the video duration. Okay, so you can just leave it empty. Now edit supporting video and imagery, companion videos. Now after this, you can set a playlist. So for that, I'll be copying the same YouTube channel ka link. Then 1 second. So focus on more number of videos so that Google can pick the best one. ठीक है. So if you have a good number of videos, it will be helpful because for learning purpose I have created one. Now after that you need to scroll down. You'll be able to check your preview over here. So this is how it will look on your desktop, and this is how it will look on your mobile phone, and on your television screen this is how it will look. So after that you just need to scroll down. Then you have to talk to your sales representative. Can you see here? Contact your Google sales representative for this app placement. Okay. So that's it about Google Masthead, YouTube Masthead, where you can see it in the all multiple devices. All we need to do is first thing enter youtube.com/video Masthead. Then you'll be able to drop your website URL. You have to give your headline and other options. Okay. Hope this session was really informative for you. See you all soon in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.